This video shows you how to use FastMaint to import your data. For example, parts, equipment, alarm readings, meter readings, and so on. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. On the Tools tab in the main home page, click on Import Data. In FastMaint Standard and Professional editions, this is called Import and is available under the Files menu in the main window. Select the data you want to import. You can use the Import function to update existing items. This is useful if you want to periodically update, say, part prices, equipment data, custom fields, and so on. For some items such as meter readings and alarm readings, you cannot update existing values. Here we select Equipment to import equipment. Click Next. You will see a list of fields that can be imported. Some fields will have the word Required next to them. This means that they must be present in the import file. Click Next. You will now specify the comma-delimited file or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet you will import from. Click on the Browse button and navigate through the folders to find the file you want to import. Select the file and click on Open to go back to the import window. You will see the file you selected. Click Next. You will see a few rows of data from the import file. Review and confirm that this is the right file. Click Next. You will see a list of fields that you can import. FastMaint will try to map them to corresponding fields in the import file. Check and fix this as needed. Click Finish. The equipment in the file will be imported. When completed, you will get a report showing the import status and any errors if found. You can fix the errors and run the report again to get in the remaining equipment. If you have errors and need additional information, click on the Help button to get information on import file formats and troubleshooting.